In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer to enable cheats like infinite health, infinite stamina in Marvel Spider-Man 2. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select this three dot icon and go to downloads. Select this three dot icon and select download dangerous file and select download. Once download done, select this folder icon. Double click on the exe and select yes option. And now you need to launch the game. Once you are in game, press the alt tab. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Infinite health, infinite gadget ammo, infinite focus, instant skill cooldown, super damage, fast kills. Once you turn on the cheats you like to use, get back to the game. As you can see, the infinite gadgets cheat is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.